name is
Fabo Pemi.
Adibisi Michael.
Oliver Madogofo.
Lawson Richie. I'm the creative and project lead in TheLargeHouse.
We got a brief from our client Heineken Nigeria Breweries to reconstruct the Ikoyi Golf Club Bar, which was dilapidated. To begin with, we had to visit the site to see the condition which the bar was.
When we got to the location, we noticed the bar was not good. The face of the bar was already falling down. The plumbing work, the pipes were leaking, and this leakage was spoiling the bar already.
After we got the dimensions of the place, so we had to come up with a strategy for what the bar would look like, starting with the designs.
We got some designs from Heineken, but so pleased with these designs, so we picked some elements from Heineken brand. That's the star, the colors, their logo, and basically everything all about Heineken, because the goal was to make Heineken bold and noticeable the moment you step into the bar.
To execute the project, we had to combine the input of our in-house professionals and source for contractors because of the magnitude of work we had to do. We had to get carpenters, marble installers, plumber, tilers. We had to get lots of professionals on board to achieve what we wanted to.
So we had some unforeseen challenges, and this made us procure more materials and assets for us to meet up the standards that we want. We started by dismantling the bar, then we called in the bricklayers for the concrete work, and after the concrete work had been done, we had to install the marble and do the tiling. Lastly, the carpenters came in to do the finishing, and then our procurement got the other assets.
Actually, we procured a lot of materials, and the major ones were HDF, the LEDs, the melter, and some other assets. We also procured dishwasher, ice making machine, the underbar chillers, and lots more.
To make sure the Heineken foam board, it's a material called foam board, so we had to cut it precisely so that we had to make it smooth. You know, not only after cutting, we had to take it down to the painting department where they had to body fill to smoothen it to make it look neat for the bar. Then we cut out the star, which is at the backdrop. The star is in two phases because we have two colors. So there's the white and the red. So first of all, smoothing both because there are two stars. We're smoothing both, and we made the white color first, and we taped it so that the other color doesn't go through to the white colors. So we taped it, and after then sprayed the red paint on it. So that's brought about the star at the backdrop.
After the installation, we went there to give them some guide on how to make use of the assets and also how to maintain them.
reconstruction of the bar?
The bar came out very good, and
It came out great. You can see the beautiful job.
The bar came out looking nice at the end of the day, and we exceeded our expectations, and we got referral from other brands.
At TheLargeHouse, we ensure we deliver the best.